You need to do something than just keep your eye on the boob tube.
Where are you from? What do you do for a living?
I'm a native New Yorker. The purpose of all this is that the message is you can't live on Social Security and a small pension alone. You have to do something extra.
How old are you?
74.
My goodness, I would have never guessed.
I just had a birthday, so
Oh,
thank you,
happy
thank
birthday.
you, thank you, thank you. I'm here a couple of days a week. I don't come out in the winter. That's when I get a lot of my work done.
What did you work as before you started doing this?
Oh my.
A long time ago.
I worked in advertising, billing, accounts payable, accounts receivables, and advertising.
Was it for like a medical office or something?
Medical office, a PT office. I basically, at a certain age, got tired of being fired because I knew what I was doing. There comes a time when people say, and I'm not the only person, but you reach a certain age and you say, you know what, these bosses, they really don't know what they're talking about. So fire me, and I took retirement. That's it.
You're fired.
And then somebody told me you really should do something. So I did this.
Did you feel like you were in the rat race working these jobs?
Rat race? I don't know. There were never such high pressure jobs, except for what the boss makes of it. A boss will always make you, in a rat race.
Yeah.
Bosses went crazy, huh?
Somebody that's like working on Wall Street, do you think they're more in the rat race than somebody that's working a low pressure?
If they're good at it, do it. Go for it. Because that's that's where the money is. My highest paying job, kids out of college make what I made. By the time I retired, I think if I had a good year, it was maybe $50,000.
Did you get into this for wanting to pursue financial freedom, or was it just kind of like I'm trying to get by?
It was a couple of extra bucks.
Money, 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 money.
I only started with booties, and then I did headbands, and then it just grew as I found patterns that I felt that were cost effective.
How much do you make a week?
I'm not telling you that. A good day would be $50. So 3 days a week, $150. That's not bad. And it is tax free when you think about it. I'm not charging tax. I don't have overhead. But teddy bears are a big seller. My stuff sells.
It's beautiful work.
No, I don't want the tax people to come after me.
It's our little secret.
Because it's not always a $50 day. So, like today is not a $50 day.
So how long does it take to make a typical booty?
One booty takes around 45 minutes, so 2 booties is around an hour and a half.
How about the hats?
The hats take a couple of hours. Teddy bears take 4 hours. A headband could take an hour. I have scrubbies. They take maybe half an hour. That's for the adults in the audience. Washcloths, hand towels.
So how much do you sell them a piece?
$10 for a headband, $10 for a pair of booties, $15 for hats. Hand towel would be $10, a washcloth is $7. Teddy bears, $25 to $30, because some are chenille. Chenille is $30, but acrylic is $25. Everything is machine washable. I don't make a new mother do a hand wash. She's got enough on her hands to begin with.
The children or the husband?
Everything. Everything.
Everything.
So is this kind of it? Like, is there any other ventures you want to pursue or you're thinking about?
No.
You seem really passionate about this.
Well, I enjoy it. So if you have something that you enjoy to do it.
And if you had one message to the world, what would it be?
Buy from me. Come to 86th Street and 5th Avenue in Bay Ridge on the weekends and come and buy.
Well, hopefully we got some people to come.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
My name is Diana.
Okay.
Or you can call me GMM. Good Morning Money.
Okay. My name is Dillie.
Dillie.
Yes.
Dillie.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Dillie. Thank you so much for
Hold on a
sharing
second.
everything.
You can take a picture of my business card.
Wow. There you go. She has a business card too. Guys, support her, please.
Yeah.
We gotta
Follow me on
support Dillie.
Facebook.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. We're going to be having more longer interviews with people literally we meet on the street. We literally just met her, right?
Yes, we literally just met.
Raw footage. That's what we're all about. An interview. It's for a finance channel. Just asking people about their financial struggle. Are you in the rat race? How do you feel about it? How can people get out of it? No? No problem. Thank you.